Leica has never been a brand afraid to take risks. For over a century, the company has stood as a symbol of craftsmanship, precision, and photographic excellence, shaping generations of photographers. From their early leap from microscope manufacturing into cameras, Leica has always followed its own creative instincts, no matter how unconventional. Now they're making another daring move with the Leica MV1, a camera that breaks tradition by removing the defining element of the M series, the mechanical rangefinder. In its place, Leica introduces a fully integrated electronic viewfinder, transforming how photographers experience the M system. It's a radical step that's bound to divide opinion. Purists may see it as sacrilege, while others might view it as the evolution Leica needed to stay relevant in a digital age. At first glance, the MV1 looks familiar, almost indistinguishable from the Leica M11, yet it represents a major shift in philosophy. It keeps the same robust build and refined design, but with key differences that redefine its usability. Gone is the complex rangefinder mechanism. Instead, photographers now get a 5.76 million EVF, the same crisp, detailed display found in the Leica Q3. This allows shooters to preview exposure, focus accuracy, color rendering, and depth of field in real time. The ability to see exactly what the sensor captures eliminates parallax issues and makes shooting with ultra-wide, telephoto, or adapted lenses a far smoother experience. It's a shift from tradition to technology, a fusion of classic Leica design with modern mirrorless practicality. The MV1 carries the same 60-megapixel full-frame sensor from the M11, known for its stunning dynamic range and detail. However, there are subtle trade-offs. It has only 64 gigabytes of internal storage compared to the M11's 256 gigabytes, meaning you'll likely rely on a fast SD card for extended shoots. It supports UHS-2 cards for maximum transfer speeds, and with modern cards like the OWC Atlas Ultra series, you can expect fast writes and smooth performance without slowdowns. While the technical performance matches Leica's reputation, one notable omission is weather sealing, something photographers will need to keep in mind when shooting in unpredictable conditions. Design-wise, the MV1 is a touch lighter than the M11, weighing just 460 grams. It still feels premium, with the same dense metal build and diamond-patterned leatherette grip that echoes the Leica Q's tactile design. It's elegant yet understated, minimal yet unmistakably Leica. This reduction in weight makes the camera surprisingly comfortable for all-day use, though some longtime users might feel it's almost too light, losing a bit of that brick-solid M feel. Still, Leica manages to maintain the essence of what makes an M camera special. Simple controls, manual precision, and that unmistakable aesthetic presence. But what truly defines the MV1 is how it changes the shooting experience. Traditional M-series cameras require mastering rangefinder focusing, a process of aligning split images in a tiny window. It's rewarding once perfected, but also limiting, especially with shallow depth of field lenses where micro shifts in focus can ruin a shot. With the EVF, all of that complexity disappears. You can now focus anywhere in the frame, magnify for pinpoint accuracy, or use focus peaking if preferred. It's a massive improvement in flexibility, especially for portrait, macro, and telephoto work. For those who struggled with rangefinder precision or simply prefer a modern digital interface, the MV1 makes Leica shooting far more accessible without sacrificing image quality. The camera, however, doesn't try to hide what it is. Leica is transparent that this isn't a replacement for its classic rangefinder models. Instead, it's an expansion, a new branch of the M family for photographers who value the M form factor, but want the usability of an electronic viewfinder. This approach bridges two worlds: the nostalgic feel of a mechanical camera and the convenience of modern digital visualization. It's an invitation for new users to step into Leica's ecosystem, and for working professionals to enjoy the benefits of M-mount lenses with greater precision and fewer constraints. In the field, the MV1 proves itself as both familiar and refreshing. The shutter response, ergonomics, and lens handling feel quintessentially Leica. You still get the satisfying mechanical click, the tactile dials, and the direct shooting experience that makes M cameras beloved among purists. Yet, now you also see your exposure and color tones in real time, eliminating guesswork. However, one area where it still lags is startup time. It takes around 2.5 seconds for the EVF to power up, a small delay that can be frustrating for spontaneous street photography. Once active though, it performs flawlessly with quick refresh rates and vibrant clarity. Battery life takes a hit compared to the M11, simply because the EVF and rear screen consume more power. Still, Leica's SCL battery provides respectable endurance, especially for a high-resolution camera of this kind. There's no video mode, which aligns with Leica's purist philosophy for the M series. This is a camera built for stills, not hybrid shooters. What's impressive, though, is the inclusion of C2PA content authenticity support, a new standard that allows images to carry verifiable metadata, ensuring integrity in an age where AI manipulation is increasingly common. It's a small but forward-thinking addition that fits Leica's reputation for blending tradition with cutting-edge relevance. Using the MV1 is a strangely emotional experience. On one hand, it feels like a departure from the M soul. On the other, it feels like a liberation. You no longer wrestle with rangefinder parallax or alignment issues, yet you lose that intimate rhythm of aligning images by hand. It's less a replacement for the classic M and more of an alternative way to experience it, one that offers efficiency and precision without completely abandoning the brand's heritage. For working professionals, the MV1 could be a practical companion. Its EVF makes focusing far more reliable in controlled environments like studios or on-location portrait shoots. It's also ideal for photographers who adapt various lenses, giving them full visual coverage and instant exposure feedback. Collectors may not view it with the same reverence as the traditional rangefinders, but as a photographic tool, it's a strong statement from Leica that they're willing to evolve without losing their identity. In the end, the Leica MV1 represents more than just another camera. It's a philosophical pivot. It dares to reimagine what a Leica M can be while honoring the past that made it iconic. It won't appeal to everyone, and that's fine. Leica knows its audience well and understands that progress often means division. The MV1 doesn't aim to replace nostalgia. It complements it, offering a modern gateway into Leica's world. For those open to change, it's a refreshing, forward-thinking tool that brings the timeless M design into a new digital reality. Leica has always thrived on its ability to balance art and engineering, and the MV1 is proof that the brand still knows how to take bold yet thoughtful risks. It's not just a camera. It's Leica's way of saying that even after 100 years, they're still evolving, still innovating, and still shaping the future of photography in their own distinct way.